A very good morning, dear students. How are you all? Fine? Great. Dear students, as per schedule, your computer class is there. But before starting computer class, I'll tell you about COVID 19 organization behavior. Right, all of you know that what precautions you have to take to avoid COVID 19. So, first is wash your hands frequently. All of you know that you have to wash your hands frequently and you have to rub at least 20 seconds. You can use any hand wash or with a soap. Second is you have to wear mask properly. Some people, what they are doing, they are not wearing masks, or if they are wearing, they are not wearing properly. So your nose should be covered, your full mouth should be covered while wearing the mask. Please take care of it. Third is maintain social distancing. Social distancing is very necessary. So you have to follow these steps, right? Now, welcome back to your computer class. We will be starting next chapter, that is chapter number 6, slide organization in PowerPoint. So you will be able to learn this chapter how to change the slide layout. Slide layout we have discussed in last chapter. So in this chapter you will be able to learn to changing the slide layout, rearranging slides in outline tab and in slide sorter view, or you can edit, move, copy and delete any object in a presentation, working with word art, inserting text box, inserting clip art and shapes, rotating and resizing a picture, shape, text or object using shadow effect. So these all the contents you will be able to learn in this chapter. Next is, although PowerPoint templates, so we will be starting reading this chapter. Although PowerPoint templates provide impressive pre-designed slides, you may still need to make changes in your presentation. Editing a slide involves what? Addition, deletion or rearranging of slides, changing backgrounds, layouts, inserting text box if you want to enter any text, and these contents of the existing slides can also be changed. So beta, PowerPoint templates, they are providing, it provides impressive pre-designed slides, but you may still need to make changes in your presentation. Editing a slide involves adding, deletion, rearranging the slides, different things you might be you have to change. So first we will be discussing here changing the slide layout. Slide layout refers to the way things are arranged on a slide. How the things are arranged. A layout contains placeholder which hold text, titles, bulleted list and slide contents, tables, charts, lists and slide contents, tables, charts, pictures, shapes and clip arts. Each time when you insert a new slide, you can choose a layout that matches your requirement. And the layout can be modified either in the normal view or in the slide sorter view. So you can select any slide layout according to your requirement, according to your contents. If table is there, you can choose that format. If charts are there, you can choose that. Picture, shapes, whatever you want to choose, you can choose. And after that, you can insert a new slide layout. So how? Click on the view tab. See in the picture, view tab is there. And after that, you have to select the slide sorter view button and choose the slide whose layout you want to change. Then you have to choose the slide. After that, click on the layout button in the slides group on the home tab. The layout box will open with various layouts and select the layout according to your requirement. The text on the slide will be rearranged automatically according to the chosen layout. So in this way you have to change the slide layout. After that, rearranging slides in outline tab. To change the order of the slide from one position to another in the outline tab, how you have to change? You have to follow these steps. Click on the normal button, and where it is normal button, it is located on view tab. After that, if needed, choose the outline tab to display the outline of the text in the slides and select the slide icon of the slide which you want to move. Then drag the slide to a new location where you want that slide to be rearranged. Then drag the slide to a new location. A horizontal line appears as you drag the slide as shown in figure 6.2. You can see. Sorry. Next is, see in the picture, horizontal line is there. While dragging, a dark horizontal line appears. When the horizontal line reaches to the desired location, release the mouse. Mouse को छोड़ दीजिए. And that particular slides moves to the new location. So in this way you can rearrange your slides whatever you want to rearrange. That is in outline tab. Now rearrange slides in slide sorter view. So you have to click on slide sorter view button on the view tab. Again select the slide you want to move and drag the selected slide to a new location where you want to shift. A vertical bar appears next to the slide where the slide is moved. See here, vertical bar. Now editing text object. It is important to know how to perform basic tasks with text while working in PowerPoint. The text you type in placeholders such as title, subtitle can only be modified in the normal view. They can only modified in normal view. So how? Open the slide in which you want to edit the text. After that, click on the text. A placeholder will appear. Then you have to place the cursor at that point where you want to edit the text. Now you can make the required changes in the text. After editing the text, click on the save button on the quick access toolbar to save its changes. So in this way you can edit your text objects. Right? Next is moving objects. In a presentation, you can also move the objects from one place to another, either on the same slide or between the different slides. How you have to follow the steps? You have to follow these steps to move an object. You have to select that object and click on the cut button. Cut button is located on home tab, or you can use shortcut key Ctrl X, but you have to select the object. After that object you will not be able to see from that slide and is placed on the clipboard. Now you have to place the cursor after the last point on the same slide. Click on the paste button, or wherever you want to move it, you have to place the cursor there. Then you have to press Ctrl V button. The selected object will be appearing in cursor position. So in this way you can move the objects in the slide. Next, copying. Same, here you have cut in moving objects. Here you have to press on copy button. You can copy the objects anywhere on this slide, between the slides, or from one presentation file to another. This feature helps in reducing time and efforts of a user. Copy and paste command. Duplicate the selected objects. So the copy feature is similar to cut feature, but what is the difference? It copies the object and it will cut the object. In cut option it will remove, and in copy option it will not remove the object. So here you have to select the object, click on the copy button on the home tab. Now for copy you can use shortcut key, that is Ctrl C. It is copied. After that, where you want to paste, you have to place the cursor there. You can click on the paste button which is available on home tab, or you can paste it on using shortcut key, that is Ctrl V. So in this way you can move or you can copying the objects. Next is deleting text objects. Now you have to click on that text which you want to change, which you want to delete. The selected text will have a dash border around it, and click on the border of the placeholder. The border will change from dash border line. Then you can press the delete key. The selected text object will be deleted. Next is working with word art. The word art feature helps you to create special text effects. Using the word art, what you can do, you can make the text curved, wavy, shadowed, or you can apply 3D effects on it. How? You have to click on the insert button. There is word art option. You can choose any, select any word art there. Yes, it will show you a word art gallery opens up on the screen. So you can choose any word art or you can type any text. After that, click on the text fill that will come in word art styles. Group on the format tab. You can select the desired color and observe the changes. So we will be continuing with working with word art in next class. Till now what we have discussed: slide organization in PowerPoint, how to change the slide layout, how to rearrange slides in outline tab, how to rearrange slides in slide sorter view, editing text object, moving, moving means cut and paste, copying, copy and paste, then you can delete also. So here different options are there. It will be more clear to you in practical class. So dear students, read this chapter carefully up to here and try to solve back exercise. Remaining chapter we will be doing in next class. Thank you. God bless you.